Praise be to Allah, the Lord of the universe, and peace and blessings of Allah be upon the noblest of the prophets and messengers, our Prophet Muhammad, upon his family and esteemed companions. Dear brothers and sisters, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. At the outset, I wish to offer my sincere greetings and well wishing on this blessed occasion of Eid ul Fitr. We pray to the Almighty to accept our fast, prayers, and all our good deeds. May you be fine with each passing year and many happy returns of the day. Today, we have already celebrated Eid ul Fitr in Saudi Arabia and going to celebrate it tomorrow in India as well as in other countries. In this context, I want to highlight something related to this festival. Eid ul Fitr falls on the first day of the lunar months of Shawwal, marking the end of the month-long Ramzan fast. Just as fasting during the month of Ramzan is an act of worship celebrating, Eid is also an act of worship where Muslims express their happiness and their gratitude to the Almighty for enabling them to perform this act of worship and for completing His grace upon them. The Almighty mentioned in Holy Quran, وَلِتُكْمِلُوا الْعِدَّةَ وَلِتُكَبِّرُوا اللَّهَ عَلَى مَا هَدَاكُمْ وَلَعَلَّكُمْ تَشْكُرُونَ. You should complete the number of days and proclaim the greatness of the Almighty Allah for the guidance He has given you so that you will be thankful to Him. Al-Baqarah verse number 185. Likewise, every Muslim is required to pay zakat al-fitr at the conclusion of the month of Ramadan to the poor and needy so as to enable them to celebrate this festival which make everyone happy and remind them of Allah's favor bestowed upon them. We also pray to the Almighty to protect all of us from this lethal disease of COVID-19, especially our Indian brothers, where the situation has become so critical and has reached the epidemic proportion, as well as to have mercy upon those who have passed away into His mercy. He is the one who hears the prayers and invocations and accept them. Thanking you for devoting the time for this speech. Your brother Raisul Azam Al Madni. Assalamu alaikum.